CD-20 Stud Welder. Let's take a look at one of the top models of our collection, the CD-20 Stud Welder. You can connect the mains plug to 230 volt 16 ampere 50 or 60 Hz. Now, follow a video to get a complete idea of this model. First, loosen the aluminium hex nut. Select the collet as per the diameter of the weld stud. You can adjust the length of the stud with the help of a stopper. In the next step, you have to insert the collet in the stud welding gun and tighten the hex nut properly to avoid sparking. Now, you have to connect the gun to the machine. You can always rely on us because the experts of Akshay Fasteners have years of experience and integrate modern technology into their work. Next, tighten the brass bolt properly to avoid sparking at any cost. You have to connect the earthing cable to the machine and tighten the brass bolt properly to avoid sparking. You have to be extra careful with this step. Now, turn on the machine. Select the material of the weld stud. Next, select the diameter of the weld stud. Once your machine is ready after receiving the required voltage, it will indicate a green light, which means that your machine is ready.